Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I wanted to talk to you briefly about the Educator Spotlight assignment. So we're going to review the Educator Spotlight requirements. Your Educator Spotlight should introduce the educator, talk about their background in education professionally, include where they got their education, if you can find that information if it's available, connect his or her attributes to our readings, and provide evidence of how this educator makes a difference in the field of education. Your Educator Spotlight assignment can be delivered as a video, an audio file, slideshow, poster, handout, etc. Doesn't need to be long. It's a brief assignment. Doesn't need to be a full-length biography or video. It's a brief Educator Spotlight. Your Educator Spotlight will be due Saturday by 11:59 p.m. of the week that you signed up for. So we signed up in week 1. You got either week 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So your assignment will be due in the week that you signed up. It will be shared with your classmates the following week after it's due. And you're going to submit your Educator Spotlights in Schoology in the Educator Spotlight folder through the Educator Spotlight assignment link. If you have any questions along the way, I'm here to help. Reach out. You can always email me at Jennifer. I'm Jennifer Austin. You can reach me at jaustin@buffalo.edu, at my office at 645-1004. Via text only between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. please, at 716-800-2979, or in my office. Hope you have a great week.